Welcome to Freelancing 101, a basic tutorial of freelancing tools. Now I will share to you another Google Workspace tools. So this one is called Google Site. So what is Google Site? Google Site is a simple website builder. It's very basic. Here you can create your own website. Also, you can create your own website portfolio. As you can see, I have two different websites here. This one is about real estate. Here you can see different pages. Home, property details, gallery, location and investment, contact or schedule tools. So I will just show you how it's functional. Even though it's very simple and very basic website builder, still it's usable. As you can see, as I click the pages, it will land to another page. And another website that I built is a website portfolio. So here I showcase my skills, my offer, and my feature project. Here in the other side, this is the tools of editing. So I will just explore you a little. If we discuss this one by one, it will take long. You can explore it on your own because it's very simple and very friendly. You can understand it easily. Although, if your first time, it's quite frustrating because it's very basic. It's not like other website builder that is very advanced. So here you can choose a template. It's already available. But you can start with a blank. So here you can insert the image, upload or select. So let's try what is available already on the Google site. So let's click this one, insert, and it will appear on your header. You can change the text. There's an option how to edit it. So there's a different kind of size of font. You just choose what you need. The type of font, the size. So there's a lot of editing tools. You just highlight the letters. You just highlight the words. And if you want to insert text, you just click text and you can type here. So this one is for image, just like we did before. So you can upload or you can link or you can go to the Google image and search for the image. Let's try flowers. It will automatically give you the flowers image. Let's click one and insert. And the image come here. You can replace that, select or upload. It's up to you. So you can also put a content block. So there are different content block. There's an image and text format like this. Image and text below. So these are editable. So you just explore. And if you want to add another page, you just go here, click the three dots. Either you duplicate the page, change this. Let's put an example as services. And done. So another page is created here. If you want to put sub-page, so let's title this a social media audit. And then done. And the sub-page will go here. When you click the arrow, the sub-page will appear. There are also available theme choices. So you just click this one and everything will change. So there are more things to learn here in Google site. You just need to explore and learn the basic. So you can create very basic website like this but yet functional. So if you think this tutorial is helpful, kindly like, comment, share, and follow for more tutorial like this.